Hi, this is Doreen with WTI.
Watermelon is one of my favorite fruits to eat, and I wanted to try my hand at growing some at home. But I wanted some fun varieties, so that's why I got this tricolor watermelon collection from Survival Garden Seeds. My favorite part about this watermelon seed collection is that every single seed that I planted actually sprouted, and as you can see, I already have tons of fruit. The plants also look very healthy, and I'm excited to dig into this once they're fully grown. Another thing I love about this seed collection is the choice of colors that you get when you order. The yellow petite is yellow, which is a fun color. The Tendersweet is orange, and the crimson sweet is a bright red color. So this seed collection makes for a very fun project for any home gardener, and I highly recommend it for you to try in your watermelon garden. You will definitely love the results.
And that is my point of view.